over the last quarter century, we've come to learn that these small particles not only come into the lung, where they can obviously set up a local reaction and cause some inflammation, and I'll talk about that a little later, but they can also pass through the lining of the lung into the circulation. And so this is the serious bit about air pollution, really, is that these very small particles get into the bloodstream and they circulate to every organ of the body. And since these particles are made up, usually, of carbon, obviously at the center usually, but then a whole load of other chemical substances on the surface and embedded in the particle, which are carried with the particle as it circulates into the tissue. So when these particles end up in the brain or in the liver or in the kidney, in the heart, they are then going to release those chemicals in those environments. And so it is hardly surprising now that we're recognizing through some really good biomedical and epidemiological research that this particular air pollution is associated with many different diseases beyond lung disease, which is obviously the organ that sees the air pollution first. And it is the delivery of those chemicals into the tissues over a prolonged period of time, which sets up an inflammatory reaction and damages those tissues,